comes to magic, to divination, talking to spirits, a lot of these different practices, I've noticed a lot of people go into this stuff out of distress. Um, you can be distressed, in the time of your life that you're looking into something. Um, it's it's more usual. It's more usual also that people will be looking into occult things, and then they will sort of summon stress into their life, or not even stress, it's just difficulty and sadness and depression, because a lot of these topics will sort of evolve you, and evolution hurts. So you know yeah, I think that's what's happening when that sort of quote unquote dark night of the soul comes in. Not the there's a few different dark nights of the soul that come in with like occult practice, but there's like an initial one that's not that bad, I think. Or for some people it's terrible. But yeah, that's what's happening. Yeah, but I would say when you're having bad feelings, even if it's not exactly like having a particular source, sit with those feelings. Um, if there's some kind of loss, sit with that, grieve that, feel the pain, really feel into the pain, savor the pain. This can actually really accelerate your growth, your psychological growth, to expand your mind, that then can capacitate magical ability, um, or can capacitate like doing magic, having a lot of things going on in your energy. So um, hard to talk about briefly, really. Talking more metaphorically almost. If you start on the path of magic, the path of wisdom, it's like it says this in Proverbs: "He who accumulates wisdom accumulates sorrows." Um, so I actually almost sort of disagree with this. In general, that's the way it will go. But like, if you're around people who are also, at a similar, like, let's say, level of consciousness, and doing similar things to you, it'll just feel normal again. But the thing is, the more you become wise, the more you do magic, the fewer people will really be able to relate with you, because you're just interacting with reality differently.